Well, hi there, everybody. Meteorologist Don Morelli with you here on iFIBER Channel 1 News. Your weather forecast overnight tonight is brought to you by Bud Cleary Toyota dealers. Toyota, let's go places. Well, the temperature is going up, at least slowly, but at least we're finally getting to more seasonal temperatures during this work week. Lows tonight actually aren't going to fall all that much from where they've been most of the day, which is generally maybe the lower to mid-20s to wake up to. But another band of little light precipitation coming across, particularly southern sections tonight. Could be a few slick spots. Moses Lake again maybe in the morning. But a more moderate precipitation event, possibly late Tuesday into Wednesday. So I'm more concerned about Wednesday morning with the freezing rain possibility. But in general, temperatures are going above freezing for much of the rest of the work week. And we'll have two more rain chances later on in the week. One Thursday night, Friday morning, and another one Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. So you get the picture, rather unsettled, but the temperatures are at least trying to nudge their way up. In fact, temperature this afternoon still on the cold side, 28 degrees when you're comparing to where we should be, 41. So again, hopefully we'll be getting closer to these seasonal levels later in the week. 18 was a morning low, a trace of precipitation, so a little slippery start in some areas this morning. 29 and 15, the extreme in Moses Lake, and again, a little bit of freezing precipitation, some patchy freezing rain and even some snowflakes in some of the areas early this morning. Looking at the current conditions, partly cloudy skies, 27 degrees. We're in a little shadow effect from the precipitation for the time being, but wouldn't be surprised if we see a little bit moisture moving our way overnight tonight, particularly southern areas, as I mentioned. Here we are by morning, and again, most of the moisture gets caught in the Cascades to our west, and again, when winds come over the high elevations, squeeze it out of the moisture, out of the clouds, and then they come down in the slopes and it dries out. So that's the shadow effect that we see quite a bit here in the Columbia Basin. Hard to get a shadow effect, though, with this slug of moisture coming in late Tuesday, Wednesday. That's why I'm concerned about Wednesday morning, maybe some patchy freezing precipitation, but mainly liquid during the afternoon. And then we dry it out again briefly, but another slug of moisture coming in on Thursday. So you get the picture. We're in the pattern for unsettled weather now and then, but temperatures are at least getting up there. Look at that, mid to high 40s, western areas of the state. On the coast, inland northwest, still some periods of snow in the high elevations. And here in the Columbia Basin, we are looking for temperatures with partly to mostly cloudy skies above freezing. So after maybe some brief freezing precipitation, particularly in a few spots, we're looking for not too bad of an afternoon. Tomorrow night, Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, though, maybe some freezing rain. But the rest of the week, looking above freezing and maybe just some scattered showers to take us through the week.